Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, we have to find the Play Store, and actually before, let's make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to connect to the Wi-Fi, because if you will have the mobile data, then your carrier provider may charge you for downloading something. So let's enter the Play Store, and usually we should tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner, but lately Google just transferred all those options to the circle. So after tapping on it, you will also be able to read this info. So let's tap on the circle and tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all updates pending, and obviously you can update all of them just by tapping on this green button, Update All, and then all of them will be downloaded and updated. But if you want to, you can of course update only one of it or two of them. So let me update, for example, the Gmail. All you have to do is simply find the app you'd like to update and tap on this update button right next to it. And as you can see, the Gmail disappeared, but it appears at the very top of the list, and right now it is downloading. After that, it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.